colleague at work asked us to illuminate a steel scorpion she had procured. She says her father's nickname is Blue Scorpion, and she wants the steel scorpion to be illuminated with blue lights.
But why is his name Blue Scorpion? She says she doesn't know, but how could she possibly not know the origin story of her own father's nickname? Maybe she isn't telling us because she knows the truth.
Is Blue Scorpion a military call sign, a criminal underworld name, a superhero secret identity, an international code name? Or maybe Blue Scorpion is just a favorite food?
The truth is, we just don't know.
But the name is sinister sounding enough that we know we don't want to mess with this guy, so we agreed to light the scorpion. The scorpion is a steel cutout in the shape of a scorpion, which we're sure came from a perfectly legitimate internet site. But there it is, it's steel and it's cut out, and we can hang this with 2 different mounting holes here to hold it on the wall.
I got these cool LEDs to light it up from the back. And we got them from Hit Lights. This is the Eclipse kit. They're on Amazon. Link down below if you would like them. Pretty cool. They're linkable. So you can have these 2 links together and put them together or not together, whatever your little heart desires. They have a bunch of different add-ons with it. And it has a remote control that has up to 7 different colors that you can choose from, which is pretty neat. You got a couple different modes, different party modes, whatever. But what's weird about this is that you don't necessarily have to point the remote at the lights for them to change color. So here I am pointing at it, here I am pointing at you, and it's changing. It's wild, man, and you can see the little red light indicator coming off. How does it work?
We're not sure. It's either alien technology or possibly some kind of poltergeist, but the remote, we've actually had it operate from different rooms, and it still fires. So, not sure. We're a little afraid of it, but those are the LEDs. I don't know what's going on, but the longer we work with these LEDs, the weirder things got. To backlight the scorpion, we needed to build a structure that would allow the LEDs to be mounted sideways. To do this, we used pine wood strips that were in no means obtained from a forbidden island, and cut to a width that is slightly larger than the width of the LEDs.
We drew a skeletal outline onto the back of the scorpion. The structure needed to support the LEDs while also holding the scorpion evenly to the wall. The complex shape of the scorpion and the length of the LED strips dictated how large our skeleton could be. Once the skeleton was laid out, we cut the cursed strips of wood from the mysterious island to the length that we needed. Each strip was glued to the steel with silicone of the same type that is used to make aquariums. You know, to make it strong. Before we could silicone down our cursed wooden pieces, we needed to sand out their edges so that the LED strips could comfortably wrap around them without breaking. This silicone can hold anything and provides a strong bond from our cursed wooden strips. Larger wooden pieces were used for the parts that required screw holds and also to provide gentle curves for the LED strips to mount to, you know, so they wouldn't snap.
Well, now it's time to go hook up the LEDs to the back of the scorpion. But these LEDs don't operate properly, do they? They're infrared, but they don't act like they're infrared. Well, they have an adhesive backing, but how are we to know that that's going to work? So we're not going to trust the adhesive backing. We're going to use silicone instead. I mean, these things are so unpredictable. Who knows? If we don't glue them down properly, they might get up and go kill somebody in the middle of the night. With the cursed wooden strips securely glued to the steel base, we were then able to go through and apply silicone around the edges to the wood to apply the LED strips. This was a little bit tedious, but we got them all in place.
Then we drilled the holes for the mounting screws. This project was finished.
As expected, the remotes can change the color of the scorpion at will. So now it can be a blue scorpion, red scorpion, yellow scorpion, or whatever color you want.
But to us, it'll always be the mysterious, possibly dangerous blue scorpion. But we did actually discover the secret to the remote. It isn't infrared at all. It's a radio frequency remote, which is why it works through walls. No magic here.
So there's really nothing sinister about this scorpion at all. It's just a metal scorpion LEDs on it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up to let us know that you liked it. And if you haven't already done it, please subscribe and ring that bell so that you'll know the next time we do something.
Come on. Everyone is doing it.
We're always building stuff, sometimes interesting stuff, and you can keep up with what's happening here in the shop by joining us on Facebook or Instagram. You can help us make more videos by buying cool stuff from our store or by sponsoring us on Patreon.
No matter what you do, we're happy you joined us for the ride. Until next time, Space Cadets. You can dance if you want to. You can leave your friends behind. If they don't dance, and if they don't dance,